In this slide, we're diving into the core concept of prompting, which is essentially the instruction you give to an LLM, large language model, to generate a response. Think of a prompt as your input to the model. It's what guides the AI to provide the output you're looking for. Best practices for effective prompting. Ask clear, specific, and concise questions. The more precise you are with your prompt, the more accurate and relevant the AI's response will be. Avoid vague or overly broad prompts that might lead to ambiguous answers. Leverage the iterative nature of these models. Don't hesitate to refine and adjust your prompts based on the initial outputs. These models are designed to work well with iterative inputs, so use that to your advantage to hone in on the best possible response. Cross-check the information provided. AI can sometimes generate content that may not be entirely accurate or could be fabricated. Always verify critical information with reliable sources, especially when using AI-generated content for important decisions. Rephrase if necessary. If the response isn't quite what you expected, try rephrasing the question. Sometimes a slight change in wording can significantly alter the AI's understanding and thus the quality of the response. Style and persona. You can ask the model to respond in a particular style or persona. This can be particularly useful if you need the AI to mimic a specific tone, such as professional, casual, or even impersonate a historical figure or character. These best practices will help you make the most out of your interactions with LLMs, ensuring you get responses that are as helpful and accurate as possible. We're going to spend the next 15 minutes or so exploring practical uses of LLMs by focusing on 5 key tips. These tips will help you learn best practices for creating effective prompts. Here are 3 things to remember. Practice makes perfect. Take a moment to practice these prompt techniques yourself. I encourage you to pause the video, type the prompts in your own ChatGPT, and see how it responds. The more you practice, the more comfortable and skilled you'll become. Pause and reflect. In the beginning, you might feel like the pace is a bit fast, and that's completely okay. Feel free to pause the video as needed to fully understand the concepts and try them out in real time. There's no rush. Learning at your own pace is key to mastering these skills. Your responses may vary. Keep in mind that your responses may not be exactly the same as the ones shown in the demo. This can happen due to different contexts, updates in the model, or slight variations in how prompts are phrased. Don't worry. This variability is part of the learning process and helps you understand how to adapt prompts for different situations. Few more additional guidance. Stay curious. As you experiment with these techniques, try out different variations of the prompts to see how the AI responds. This exploration will deepen your understanding of how LLMs work. Ask for help. If you find yourself stuck or unsure about how to phrase a prompt, don't hesitate to ask the AI for help or clarification. The iterative process of refining prompts is one of the best ways to learn. Enjoy the process. Finally, remember to enjoy the process. Learning how to effectively use LLMs is a valuable skill that will serve you well. So take your time and have fun with it. It's demo time.